Hello you guys, today we're making chicken and broccoli, Chinese chicken and broccoli. So we're going to need some broccoli. I used 2 cloves of broccoli, or heads of broccoli, 2 chicken breasts, this is for our sauce. So you need soy sauce, garlic powder, cornstarch, and chicken bouillon, it's my favorite bouillon. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and get us a wok or a deep pan and drop in some oil, just like so. Allow it to get hot. And once it gets hot enough, you're going to go ahead and drop in your chicken so you can fry your chicken. So we're going to go ahead and drop in our chicken. So now you guys are going to go ahead and put our broccoli in there, being that the chicken is already cooked now. You can use fresh or you can use bagged broccoli, but I always find it tastes better when you use fresh. So we go ahead and put in our broccoli. Let it stir fry for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in our sauce. Let me show you how to make the sauce. For this part you need 1 tablespoon and a half of the chicken bouillon. Here go 1, and here goes 2.5 of chicken broth. Give it a good old stir. You're going to need a tablespoon of soy sauce, some garlic powder, tablespoon. Then you're gonna need a tablespoon of the cornstarch. You make sure y'all put y'all water on warm. You're gonna give it a good old stir, just like so. Of the corn, this is the cornstarch. So this is what's gonna make your gravy thick. And you're gonna need a tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar. That's all you need. Look how pretty that sauce looks. Look at that. So once your broccoli and stuff cooks down a little bit, you're going to drop in your sauce. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in our sauce, just like so. Remember, your water's got to be warm. And we're going to allow this to cook down. And it's going to be nice and yummy, you guys. So, yep, just let it cook down. Yum, yum. There you guys have it. Broccoli and chicken. Chinese style. See how the gravy then got thickened up? There you have it, you guys. Chicken and broccoli. So yummy and delicious. Now you can make this, put it over some white rice, some jasmine rice. Really, really yummy. And that's how you have it, you guys. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.